Baseball's really a game of individual competitions masquerading as a team sport. Baseball's a carefully organized sequence of single contests: the pitcher versus the batter, fielder versus the ball, runner's legs versus the thrower's arm. It's not like other team sports, like football or soccer, where almost everybody on the playing field takes part in the action simultaneously. Baseball centers on a ritual competition between two figures, each carrying a weapon. The one holds a missile, the other wields a club. No part of a baseball game, writes baseball historian John Thorne, pits 9 men against 9. The primal combat is pitcher versus batter, 1 against 1. This week we'll study a variety of materials related to one of those two key figures, the batter. The main reading is a biography of a baseball player who is still, arguably, the most famous athlete of all time, George Herman Ruth. Babe Ruth so dominated his world that even now, almost 3/4 of a century after his death, he remains the standard by which all other titans in their fields are measured. You can read about the Babe Ruth of cricket, that would be W.G. Grace, the Babe Ruth of opera tenors, that's Enrico Caruso. There's even the Babe Ruth of bank robbers, Willie Sutton. We'll talk about some of the changes Babe Ruth brought to the game of baseball. There are many. And we'll also look at some of the basic elements of physics and human physiology that relate to batting. Hitting a round ball with a round bat squarely has been called the most difficult feat in all of sports. Take a look at the videos and images for this week to see why this is so.